Day 3, tip 3. You've got your dump list. You've got the top 3 things. Now, each day, today's tip, each day, take those 3 things and start your list, whether it's electronically on a piece of paper. I do not care. But make sure you see those 3 things every day. And then make a choice. Take one of them and do 3 things to get you closer to that goal, or take all 3 and do 1 thing towards each goal. What's important is that they stay in front of mind and you specifically put in your mind an action to take. As always, I am the unicorn of Dr. Andrea Goeglein's ego. Goeglein.